press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Everything in this world needs some charging. Cities, plants, cars, people, animals, and of course all the devices. Introducing Lightr, the world's smallest smart charger. Lightr is a smart charger with custom-developed magnetic connection and integrated safety and smart systems with two powerful slim batteries that charge your device up to 100%. All of that is combined with eco-friendly materials and beautiful color variety. Meet Nick and Jane. Jane complains that Nick's phone is always unavailable. As many of us, he forgets to charge his phone and now he has to look for a socket. And when someone calls, oops, that looked bad. The new Nick just got a Lightr, paired it with his phone using Bluetooth connection and changed his life. The Lightr app notifies when his phone needs charging. It's that easy to forget about sockets. He has an important meeting and has to look good, but his shaver betrayed him at the most important moment. Instead of waiting for the powerful shaver to charge, the new Nick just checks how much charge is left in the Lightr using the smart pairing system and the Lightr app. Lightr makes charging comfortable and easy while he enjoys the process. Now he looks great and Lightr still has more energy left for his phone. This pair enjoys going places together, and now with Lightr they remember that sharing is caring. Lightr works with an iPhone, Android phones, new generation MacBooks and similar laptops, various tablets, and it's hard to believe, but even with this JBL speaker. Lightr's custom-developed magnetic connection makes it universal for almost any modern device. At the end, Nick always takes the Lightr with him, taking his extra 100% in his smallest pocket. Besides the urban life, these two also love adventures. They always reach the most unbelievable places. Far away from home and the places where it's impossible to charge any device, Lightr is still with them and ready to help. No more annoying car chargers and extra cables. It is safe and shock resistant, so you can take it with you to the wildest hikes and most unexpected trips. With Lightr's smart pairing system, the Lightr app analyzes the insights of the phone usage and creates a charging schedule which tells you when exactly you can charge the phone and when you will need the Lightr. Now, their life looks absolutely different, and alongside with Lightr, they are moving forward. Wait, seems like there are some cabled alter egos left. But no problem, sharing is caring. We are a team of dedicated enthusiasts who believe in the future of Lightr and the importance of innovative approach to usual things in life. Lightr's team has worked hard for more than a year with one single goal: to make a product that will be useful to its maximal ability. All our drafts and prototypes went through long-lasting evolution, and the conclusion is the Lightr, world's smallest smart charger.
So, we have told everything about Lightr and admit that it is really cool. There is just one small step left to bring the future of charging now, and you can become the first to make this step. Join us, support our campaign, and be sure that you can always rely on us. Together with you, we will contribute to the innovation of charging.
Let us introduce ChargEST, the world's most advanced universal travel adapter that also charges your mobile devices without any additional chargers. It works in the USA, UK, Europe, Australia, and over 150 other countries.
The idea was born out of the everyday struggle of people on the go.
Every time I go on holiday, I want to focus on what to wear, but I also have to carry around a lot of devices that I don't want to think about, but I can't live without.
Or when I am on an important business trip abroad and I want less luggage, but I need my smart gadgets.
All these devices require many chargers that take up half of my space.
And don't forget the countless number of adapters around the world.
Yeah, I always get those confused.
And there are never enough outlets in hotel rooms to charge all my devices at once.
That never happens anymore because we have ChargEST.
ChargEST conforms to plug standards in the USA, UK, Europe, Australia, and 150 countries around the world.
You can plug the device in any outlet worldwide, with all the plugs conveniently stored inside. ChargeEST saves you space and the trouble of forgetting or losing your chargers.
The height of the pins is adjustable to fit any mobile case or protector. Now, you can charge your smartphones and tablets at the same time, using the two integrated pins without carrying any additional chargers. ChargEST supports micro USB, Lightning, and USB-C standards, covering the whole range of mobile devices and smart gadgets.
Great, now we can charge my iPhone and your Samsung at the same time. It also works with other devices, sharing the same charging standards.
ChargEST also has 3 additional USB ports to make it the most convenient universal travel adapter, and you still have the outlet ready to use.
In addition, we created the ChargEST Bank.
It's a power bank that charges my phone up to 3 times and has a USB port for any other device. It's been a great journey so far. We beta tested our ideas and packed them into an awesome compact design. We built the PCB and modeled the design. Then we 3D printed and tested some more. This led to the final working prototype that we sent out to 10 people to test for 2 weeks. We got their feedback, and now we are ready to go into mass production.
Forget the old chargers. Go ChargEST. Back us now on Indiegogo.
Hey Kickstarter, I'm Doug.
And I'm Chris.
And we're 2 product designers based in London.
As you know, phone batteries don't last long enough, and existing chargers are not always handy, especially in emergencies.
That's why we came up with the Nipper. It's small and light and uses 2 AA batteries to give you a bit of charge when you need it most. It's perfect for outdoor situations when your battery's dead,
Or if you just can't be bothered to get up. Simply nip into a corner shop or pop out the batteries from wherever, and off you go.
We think it's a great product, and we're on Kickstarter for your support, to ramp up production and get the Nipper out.
If, like us, you need this, then back us now and be among the first to get the Nipper, so you're never caught short in an emergency again.